for the Volta MPs there, like. Now, let me talk about my region. Sorry. My people are asking questions, and I have to come and ask it here. My people are asking that, are they, your Volta region, no? Any MPs are now? That's the question my people are asking. Volta 4 are asking that, where are our own MPs? Ebusham 4, we are saying all over, say, in other regions, no, Oko, Ashanti region, Eastern region, even Greater Accra, no. Senior high school people are going for mattress, for books, for bags, trunks, store balls from their MPs. MPs are donating these things to senior high school students who are going to school. I've been seeing this thing on social media. Me trying to say Volta region to somebody who do some. I can sadly report to you, say, it is not happening in the Volta region. As a Volta Hano, any MPs. Why are we so greedy in Volta region? Why our politicians, our leaders in Volta region, why are they so greedy? Why are they so greedy? I don't get it. You are all in the same parliament. You are all receiving the same money. And some of your colleagues are able to buy hundreds of mattresses, hundreds of textbooks, hundreds of notebooks, chalkboards, trunks, and all, and donate to their constituent. Volta for there, Volta MPs there, like on our Ken or your campaign, the campaign didn't. Now, the campaign mono Endra, I think yesterday or 2 days, I think yesterday, and I can say, or known as flag bearer, he won't concede defeat until the Electoral Commission comes out with its declaration. Ebushamfo, in communication, Obika Sembia, you have to sit down, analyze what the person has said. Then you can get the input of the message that the person intends to say. Number one, Andra, when I heard this thing, I did a retrospection and then also a forecast to realize, say, Honorable Ken does not intend to win 2028 election. Honorable Ken does not want to win 2028 election. Why will you be going into an election? You want us to say, "Yam voting man not be a flag bearer." Now you want to become flag bearer. Already you are telling us, party for say, 2028, Ekobasta will lose here. You will not concede defeat until the electoral commissioner comes out. What does it mean? It means say, about move voting mamia 2028, I will lose. That is what it means. You are doing campaign to become flag bearer for a political party. And the essence of a political party is to win power and to be in government. Already you are telling grassroots, they say, you voting mawa 2028 no ube lose. But who lose here? Boti beji tumuntem. What kind of communication is this? Me tia something and try say, are there a mistake, Anna? And I went to watch the video, and he indeed said that. You see, sometimes when you are too fixated on somebody, you want to bring somebody down at all cost. You want to see something wrong with somebody at all cost. You end up shooting yourself in the leg without knowing. Because by 2024, election and next year obeji tum say the result that is coming in we're losing it. Usuken person jabe and 2028 me lose ya me babo ti beji tumuntem. Now going the line you can borrow it. Now because you are fixated on Baumia, You want to make Bawumia unpopular. You want to make it look say Bawumia was incompetent. You are telling people already say 2028 election losing. But the only reason why we should vote for you say 2028 election will lose here. You will not come out to come and concede early. What kind of communication is this? We don't want to vote for a candidate that is preparing us for defeat. We don't want to vote for a candidate that is preparing us for defeat. Honorable Ken, what you said yesterday, so far, Ubisami, so far, no, beyond Asama Hoka, say, Sikefokasa, Hianfo, beyond all those things, Asama Hoka and Drano, that is the biggest mistake you have made in this campaign. A biggest mistake you have made in this campaign. Yeah, I'll tell you straightforward, a biggest mistake. The earlier you forget about Bawumia and sit down and develop a campaign message, your campaign will keep on going down and down and down. Mami, you're welcome. That is what is going to happen. You better forget about the man Bawumia and start drawing your own campaign message. What you want to do, what you want to achieve, what the party stands to gain. You see, it takes a peculiar kind of political communication to jab. Now, name now so called jab, and you'll be an jabby. And sometimes you forget about the jabbing, you leave it for the communicators, and you just sell yourself to the people. And Ekoto Abama also 2028 who lose here, we don't want somebody who will lose 2028. We want somebody who will win 2028 at all costs. That is what we are looking for. We don't want somebody who will come and concede defeat after electoral commissioner will come and announce our defeat. No. That is not why we are suffering while in opposition. We want somebody who will campaign hard, who will speak hard, who will have sleepless nights, only to see the elephant back to the Jubilee House. And Honorable Ken, so now say, if you lose 2028, you won't concede defeat earlier. We don't want that. So go and sit down somewhere. No campaign message. Your campaign message is that you are going to lose 2028, but you won't concede defeat early. Hey, for us to stay in opposition for 8 years. Hey. Semo. I don't know who is advising Honorable Ken in Japan. I don't know. You see, these are the mistakes. As I was telling you, we be a mistake in power. And you're being a communicator. Not everybody is a communicator. That is why I was so angry when we were in power and Ashanti regional minister went to sit down in a radio interview and they were asking him, say, Project Ben Amuya original, and he was not able to mention. That one alone was a big blow. Because any being a communicator, some people are managers, okay? They sit behind and they are able to manage things, direct things, but they cannot communicate. So when such opportunities come, let communicators speak. You see now how I've just been able to break down what Honorable Ken Japan said. He might think say he was jabbing Bawumia, but truly, no, he wasn't jabbing Bawumia. He was just telling us say he knows 2028 is going to lose Ken Japan, no. But only the near ding, and the or recra on Jintum, and the heading. Because we know the plan that is at stake. We know what is at stake when we vote for Honorable Ken. We know. Everybody in MPP knows what is at stake if we should vote for Honorable Ken. And they say, we are going to spend the next 3 years of our life bootlicking NDC. Yeah, we MPP now know that. If you go and vote for a flag bearer, you will have to work in the vision of the flag bearer. Now, flag bearer, how vote him? I don't know. He is not able to criticize NDC. How will you, a follower, go and criticize NDC? Your flag bearer is not able to criticize NDC. You think you, a follower, you can go and criticize NDC? Never. And that is what you stand to do. So 3 years, you vote for Honorable Ken, you'll be in opposition and you become mumu. Mumu. With no disrespect to our people who can speak, by the way. Right? So we don't want that as a party. We are already suffering whilst in opposition. The nation is already bleeding. Look at what the way they are governing this country. Is this the way we want Ghana to be? Who call DVLA is here? They are charging and approved fees. DVLA. The Goro boys have come back. Who pay license say Ghana driving license. The way you suffer. Goro boys between us have come back. Their government has come. Everything you do it online. They say the Goro boys have come back. So intentionally they'll say the system down, system down, system down, system down. Once they say system down, you know that it's because they want some Goro men somewhere to make money. And that is the kind of government we have voted for. And you want us to stay under this kind of governance for 8 years. So that 2028, John Mahama cannot go again, but he will be the de facto leader. He will be governing from behind the scene. Hey, Massa. No. Now the second part of that communication is I don't know why people in MPP, some of our people, mischievously, Kukudu, you are welcome. It is saying, make it look as though, I think I can't unite people are here, so I have to summarize the thing quick so that I can give them the chance to come and speak about their outreach. Yes, do I still have some things to talk about? Let me quickly speak about the Volta one, and then I'll bring you in. I can't unite. Yeah, because I still could also around. Right, Ebushanfo. What I'm saying is, why do we make it look as though Dr. Bawumia, coming out to concede one day after the election was a bad thing he did? And the way the election went, that Bawumia came to concede the day after, and nobody died. So that people will not go and die over ballot box. People will not go and die over result. Enyamude. I know they think far. I don't think far. Enyamude. And Kamu Kwanka Bawumia, even though he knew he was losing, per result I buy, he should still say, Debbie, Mimpene, like the way your mama did in 2020 and people died. Is that the kind of nation you want to build forward? Hey, is that the kind of nation you want to build? Like the way it happened in US, 6th January 2021. 6th January 2021, the way it happened in US at the Capitol. Is that what we want to do? Bawumia did the honorable thing. Bawumia did the honorable thing. Bawumia did not come out to say, all MPP party agents leave the collation centers. No. Bawumia did not come to say parliamentary results, when who said NDC winning debut. He came to concede defeat as the presidential candidate of the MPP so that the innocent people who are party agents, grassroots for they will not go and lose their lives. That is what Bawumia did. He deserves credit. It's for that reason that he was invited to Nigeria and to some places in Europe to speak on peace after the election. Because it was the honorable thing to do. Honorable thing. We've seen how this country has been on the edge for 4 years. I second tenure of Akufo-Addo. Why? Because John Mahama, His Excellency, refused to accept defeat. Is that the kind of leader we want in Bawumia? No. He said, I don't want anyone to die. I don't want someone to take moto and be chasing a car with ballot balls to go and get accident and die. Then they say, oh, we've done election, 10 people have died. He knows, none of his children is a police station agent. He knows, but knew, ni police station agent. How do I protect the lives of the party people who have made themselves police station agents? It's by conceding defeat. So it was not about how early or how late, whatever. It's about protecting lives. Or they know themselves where we are. And yes, sir. So please, Honorable Ken, whatever you said, you declare enema and twasum. You declare chinswa and twasum. So please, forget about Bawumia once again. And then concentrate on your campaign. Ebushanfo, you can send your request. I'll pick you shortly. I'll pick you in the next 3 minutes.